According to our Theta Cost Forecast 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.8, with a base cost of $0.7. Theta organization is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of $3.2, as indicated by our Theta Coin Cost Forecast 2025. Based on our Theta Cost Expectation 2030, the normal cost of Theta organization may be around $17 toward the finish of 2030. As of now, the Theta coin cost is exchanging around 86 cents over the course of the past week. Regardless of the negative opinion, Theta Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.8, starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Theta coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for a Theta gauge, our top-to-bottom investigation intends to respond to your inquiries like: what is Theta organization? Is Theta a wise speculation? What is the fate of Theta? Before we start with point-by-point Theta cost expectation, how about we jump into the coin's outline? What is Theta organization? Theta organization is a cutting-edge blockchain that is centered around media and diversion. It empowers existing video and media stages to drive steady incomes and decrease content conveyance costs by compensating end clients for sharing their stockpiling and transmission capacity on any PC, versatile, savvy television, or IoT gadget. Theta upholds Turing-complete savvy contracts and is completely viable with Ethereum, which empowers an extensive variety of intriguing Web3 applications to be based on the organization. Theta organization is a double organization comprising of two reciprocal subsystems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge organization. The Theta blockchain gives installment, prize, and shrewd agreement abilities, while the Theta Edge organization is answerable for the capacity and conveyance of media resources like pictures and recordings. Theta organization is certainly not a decentralized YouTube or jerk. Rather, it is the fundamental blockchain and decentralized capacity conveyance framework that controls the up-and-coming age of Web3 video real-time and media amusement stages. How does the Theta organize work? Theta is a decentralized video web-based network controlled by three kinds of hubs: undertaking validator hubs, watchman hubs, and edge hubs. Undertaking validator hubs process exchanges, gatekeeper hubs confirm exchange blocks, and edge hubs share transfer speed and hand-off video transfers. Theta additionally permits engineers to fabricate decentralized applications on its blockchain. Theta clients can download the Authority Theta wallet application to hold or stake Theta and tfuel tokens. Theta likewise has a micropayment framework for video web-based that permits content watchers and makers to send and get Theta. Theta utilizes a changed BFT agreement system that keeps the organization of PCs running Theta organization in a state of harmony. Both validator and watchman hubs partake in the agreement component, adding an additional degree of safety to the convention. Validator hubs should stake at least 10 million Theta, while watchman hubs need to stake 100,000 Theta, as it were, casting a ballot not entirely set in stone by how much Theta marked. Theta specialized examination. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with critical cost changes. In 2018, it had recently begun its excursion with a cost of around $0.2, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost genuinely somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the start to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a noteworthy excursion till mid-2021, subsequent to hitting an unsurpassed high of $15.90 in April 2021. Theta organization crypto confronted a precarious fall, and it kept on exchanging under huge negative tension until April 2022. Afterward, from the last May, the Theta token cost has enrolled consolidative value development to date. Nonetheless, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a moderate recuperation and figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The ongoing cost of the Theta token is around 87 cents. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. At the hour of compassing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is 87 cents, and information demonstrates that the resource cost could recuperate in the forthcoming days. The 24-hour exchanging volume has been $6,865,137, with a market cap of $873,503,088 and a coursing supply of 1 billion Theta. Theta Coin Value Forecast 2023 as indicated by our ongoing Theta Cost Expectation 2023. the Theta coin cost is anticipated to go up and arrive at the greatest value level of $1.85. The typical cost of Theta organization may be around $1.2, while the base value level may be around $0.7 during 2023. Theta Crypto Value Expectation 2024. In view of our Theta cost expectation for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $2.3 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most reduced Theta organization cost will be around $1.8, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2. Theta Value Expectation 2025 could check the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.1 definitely. According to our Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the crypto may record the greatest cost degree of $3.5, while the base value level may be around $2.7. Theta Token Value Expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $4. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $4.7 and $3.8 individually, according to the Theta cost expectation 2026. Theta Forecast 2027. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The greatest value level of Theta organization may effectively hit $5.8 toward the finish of 2027, according to our Theta cost forecast. On the drawback, it might tumble to the most reduced value level of around $4.9. Theta Value Expectation 2028. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are forecasts that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the most exorbitant cost degree of $6.4 with a typical cost of $6 in light of our Theta cost expectation for 2028. The base cost may be around $5.6 during the year. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, the normal Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark, according to our Theta cost gauge. Financial backers might procure extraordinary benefits, assuming that they contribute with flawless timing. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $6.9 and $6.3. Theta Value Expectation 2030. Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030. With a typical exchanging cost of $7.3, Theta organization's base worth could come to $6.7. In view of our Theta coin cost expectation for 2030, we anticipate that the most extreme cost should be around $8. In view of our Theta cost conjecture, a drawn-out rectification is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is $0.534. Your ongoing venture might be degraded, consequently Theta can be a terrible, high-risk speculation choice. According to the Theta cost expectation, the cost of Theta is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year is over 2024, Theta organization is supposed to arrive at any rate expense of $2.34. Likewise, the Theta cost